This 1970 Ford Escort Mexico is the oldest known surviving AVO Ford Advanced Vehicle Operations car. One of a handful believed 4 of launch Mexicos built in October 1970, the month before official production began. The LVX Ford press registration plate is present, and it's been comprehensively restored between 2006 and 2017 and finished to exacting original specification with over £60,000 reputedly spent. It's supplied with a large history file, including a rare original sales brochure.